Dun ba sa old iPad mo, you have a girlfriend?
Wala.
Wala? You want to have a girlfriend na?
Ayoko girlfriend.
Ba't ayaw mong girlfriend?
Kasi ayoko girlfriend. Sakit sa ulo ko.
Alam mo ah. Alam mo ah. How do you know?
Kasi nakita ko sa'yo.
Ikaw bata ka ha? Hindi naman sakit sa ulo si Ate Anya. Sakit ba sa ulo si Ate Anya?
I saw in your video.
Ay talaga? Eh video lang naman yun. Hindi naman totoo yun.
Pwede na!
Ano lang yun? POVs lang. Ikaw naman. Do you like Ate Anya? Do you like her? Is she pretty?
Yes.
Why do you want Ate Anya?
Because she's my ate.
Oh, why? Why nga?
Hi, Joshua!
Say hi.
Hi!
Good afternoon!
This is another car vlog. Hatid lang namin si Mami. Saan natin hatid si Mama?
Sa dentist.
Malapit lang yun guys. Kaya huwag kayong mag-alala kung bakit dalawa sila dyan sa unahan.
Okay.
Hatid ko lang siya.
Sobrang
Wala pang 5 minutes. Tinamad lang siya maglakad.
Mainit.
Oh, mainit din eh.
Yeah.
Tago kami. Guys, kilala nyo naman to si Bench. Diba? Marami nag-aakala. Anak ko siya. Kasi gamukha ko daw. Are you my son? Ha? Ano yun? Sabi
No!
No.
My kuya.
You're my kuya.
ba't nagtatago? You don't cover mama. Dito ka.
Kino-cover niya ako.
And I'm your brother.
What's up, brother? Kagaya bigla, hey brother. So, yun. Yung ginagawa mo, sabi mo, hey brother.
Hey brother.
Ganun bigla yan. Ay, ano diba laking YouTube kids ka?
Yes.
Yes, wow. So anong level mo na sa school? What grade are you? Are you a kinder?
Grade 1.
Oo, grade 1 ka na sa pasukan?
Opo.
Lapit na tayo sa dentist ni Mama. So habang wala si Mama, tayo ang magkukwentuhan, okay?
Opo.
So wala si Anya, nandun siya sa bahay na iwan. Kasama niya ang kanyang pamangkin si Art.
Na-play sila Roblox.
Yes. Nag-play sila Roblox. O, tapos nainggit ka naman. Gusto mo rin mag-play.
Opo.
Dito lang si Mama. Oh. Say bye-bye to Mama na kasi dito na bababa si Mama.
Abay,
Tapos?
mama.
May load ka pa, di ba? Tawagan mo ako, paringin mo. Para balik na kami.
Meanwhile,
O ikaw, baby, what do you want?
I want
What do you want?
to play
Oh no.
kids game.
Right now?
Yes.
No, magbablog pa tayo.
Yeah.
Bench!
Hi.
Nani Gaski!
Chocolate. Tira nate.
Bench!
Hi.
Nani Gaski!
Chocolate.
Ay, put your seatbelt. Put your seatbelt.
what is that?
Hindi ka dyan! Wait lang.
Baliktad.
Ganito. So baka nagtataka kayo, ba't lagi ka namin kasama to? Eh kasi inaalagaan siya ng mama ko. Di ba? Right?
Papa.
Talk to them.
Diba?
Di ba? Ano bang pwede natin pag-usapan, pare?
Na joyride tayo.
Joyride tayo, no?
Oh,
Do you like riding? Riding cars?
yes.
Are you interested in cars?
Yes.
Alam nyo guys, ito sumalba sa akin nung college ako. Nag-aaral pa ako. Hindi mo pa you don't remember this, but when you were still a little kid, mga ganyang kalaki, 2 years old, 1 year old, alam mo kapag pag stress ako sa school, kasi nag-aaral ako sa nag-med school po ako sa Lasal. So, alam niyo na pag mga ganyang courses, puro aral, madalas down ka, stress ka. Alam nila yan, comment down below yung mga nag-pharmacy student dyan, mga med student, mga engineering student, yung mga ganyang type ng courses. Most of the time talaga, puro aral. Tanggal social life talaga. Kaya yun. Ikaw, siya, siguro, instinct na ng bata, kapag alam nilang stress yung tao, bata. Bigla yung lalapit sa atin, siya yakapin ako. Hindi ako nakaka-touch ko yung pag-ulit.
That's my channel ako.
Ang random mo no? Yeah, he has channel. What's your YouTube channel again?
Bench Plays 15.
Yes. Yung channel niya na yon, walang gumawa noon. Siya lang talaga. Kasi nga laking YouTube kid, siguro nakakanood ng tutorial, ginagaya-gaya niya. Tapos nag-upload doon. So punta na kayo doon. Where do you want to go?
Just you turn.
This U-turn. And then,
Go straight.
go straight.
Go back na.
Ay, you wanna go back na? Ay, you wanna play iPad lang eh.
No.
No, huling-huli ka.
Go na.
No, you wanna play iPad. Remember, baby, kagabi, may deal kami niyan. Kasi, alam mo mga bata, di ba, pasaway pag ayaw, ngayon kasi mga laking gadgets na rin to eh. Di ba inaaway mo si mama kagabi? You're a bad boy? You're a bad kid? Ano yung deal natin? Tell them, what's our deal? Dali, tell them. Dali.
Deal?
Yeah, yung pag naging good boy ka hanggang birthday mo. Ang birthday niya, December. May ngayon. Oh, what's our deal? Tell them. A new
tablet.
tablet, di ba? Oh, kapag nagkaroon ka ng new tablet, ano yung deal doon para magkaroon ka until your birthday? You remember? Tell them.
Mag-play ako Roblox.
Hindi. Hoy, hindi yun. Ano? Until your birthday, be a
Goodbye.
and wag awayin si
Mama ko.
kasi pag nag-away, no new.
Tablet.
Oh, sabihin mo sa kanila straight. Ganyan ka. Tell them. My name's Benj.
My name is Benj.
I am Benjamin.
I am Benjamin.
Ikaw, sabihin mo, mag-pledge ka na magiging good boy ka hanggang December para makuha mo yung new tablet. Go.
My full name is Benjamin Isaac or my
And I promise to be
a good boy
until
my birthday lapit
to get my
new tablet.
So, you need to practice being a good boy.
Opo, ayaw ko yung old tablet ko.
Kasi, ba't tayo mo ng old tablet?
Kasi nalagi.
Naglalag?
Opo.
Naglalag. Dun ba sa sa iPad mo, you have a girlfriend?
Wala.
Ulo, you want to have a girlfriend na?
Ayaw.
Bakit ayaw mo ng girlfriend?
Kasi mama kawawa.
Mama kawawa. Kasi, ba't kawawa si mama pag nagka-girlfriend ka?
Kasi she'll be sad and cry.
Aww. Kasi, you leave her pag may girlfriend ka na? Hindi ko man nilib si mama. Napunta-punta nag-visit naman ako sa kanya.
Ayaw ko girlfriend.
Ba't ayaw mong girlfriend?
Kasi ayaw ko girlfriend. Sakit sa ulo ko.
Alam mo. How do you know?
Kasi nakita ko sa'yo.
Ikaw bata ka ha? Hindi naman sakit sa ulo si Ate Anya. Sakit ba sa ulo si Ate Anya?
I saw in your video.
Ay talaga? Video lang naman yun. Hindi naman totoo yun.
Pwede na!
Ano lang yun? POVs lang. Ikaw naman. Do you like Ate Anya? Do you like her? Is she pretty?
Yes.
Why do you want Ate Anya?
Because she's my ate.
Oh, why? Why nga? Do you like her?
Yes.
Her attitude? Do you like her?
Yes.
Is she bait to you?
Yes.
Wow. She always treats you well?
Yes.
How about food? She always provide food for you?
Yes.
Wow. Are you good to her ba?
Yes.
How about mama? Are you good to mama?
Yes.
No, you always hit her. You ganon her, oh. If you're angry. Are you feel sorry?
Yes.
Well. Ay, do you want to prank mama later? Let's prank mama. Ipa-prank mo si mama na tulog ka. Like this, oh. Sleep here. Sige nga, paano yung tulog-tulogan? Uy, tulog. Uy, tulog. And then, mama will say, excuse me. Tapos ikaw, ganyan ka lang. Excuse me. Benj, hoy, gising. Okay? Okay, don't laugh. No laughing, okay? You will prank mama.
Okay.
Uy, mamaya pa yung prank, gising. You will do that later, okay? Okay? Do this. Uy, mamaya pa nga. Fist bump. When you grow up, what do you want to be? Do you want to be like Kuya?
To be a teen.
Really, nigga?
Ayan na naman tayo sa tin. Tama nga naman, oo. Pag, when you grow up, what do you want to be?
A nurse.
A nurse.
And,
Tama na siya.
and a gamer.
Oh, you like gaming. You want to be a gamer. I was a streamer. Nilalason na. Pero, di ba you want to play instruments and you want to sing? You like singing?
Yes.
Can you show them? Di ba kinakanta mo dati yung yung Faded?
You were the shadow to my life. Nakalimutan.
You are the shadow to my life.
Do you feel warm?
And then
You fade away. Where are you now?
Dun, dun, dun. ten, ten, ten,
Where are you now?
ten, 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 ten.
When are you now?
Mm.
So I'm a fantasy. Where are you now? You're imaginary. Where are you now?
Ten, 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 ten,
Where are you now?
ten, ten.
Ay,
Ano na? Under the sea. Oh, what other songs? Oh, Die with a Smile.
okay. I just woke up from a dream.
I just woke up from a dream.
And you and I had to say goodbye.
Well, you and I had to say goodbye.
I don't know what it all means.
And I don't know what it all means.
Since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's where I follow.
Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow.
Nobody's promised tomorrow. I'ma love every night like it's the last night. Like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
If the party was over,
That's why on earth was true.
I wanna hold you just for a while.
And die with a smile. If
Dito ka.
the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Wow! You're so good, na? Clap, clap, clap.
A few moments later.
Tapos na raw si Mami. Eto na. Matawag siya sa akin. Tapos na raw ang kanyang dentist. Hello?
Hello?
Papunta na kami.
Okay.
Okay.
Dito lang ako sa baba.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Your seatbelt, baby. Magtutulog-tulugan ka. Okay, you're gonna prank Mama.
Okay.
Let's go. Pinakawalang kwentang prank na gagawin ko. Tulog-tulugan prank with Bench. Wala pa. Pag malapit na, sabihan kita, okay?
Pa.
Okay, let's go to Mama. Let's go to Mama. Don't laugh, ha? Kasi baka tumawa ka, ha? Ay, what? Pigilan mo tawa mo, ha? Okay?
Opo. Uy, globe!
Saan?
Kita ko globe.
A tower. That's a satellite, I guess. Tower.
Yes. Philippine Tower.
You know Saranggola? Ha? That's a kite.
Oh,
You don't know what kite?
it is.
Pag English, alam. Pag Tagalog, hindi alam. Saranggola. You know Saranggola?
Alam ko
Alam mo?
Saranggola.
Paano? Magtulog-tulugan ka. Paano? Yan. Tapos, snore ka. Oh. Wake up muna, wala pa. Gisingin kita pag lapit na.
Opa.
Ayun si Mama. Go na. Tulog. Ayun na. Go. Dito ka sa. Diyan ka na. Nakatulog si Bench. Tulog yan.
Pala yan?
Tulog yan.
Wow, very good.
Tignan mo.
Just a prank lang.
Ano ba yan? Hindi umupo si Mama dyan. Sayang. Paprank ka daw namin. Ano ba yun? Bakit ang bilis mo namang sinabi dyan sa prank at pinatagal mo? Ha? Wala.
Mag-joyride tayo pa.
Ay, hindi na. Uwi na. Gusto mo pa mag-drive?
Ayaw.
Ito ba bang joyride?
Ayaw mo?
Pa.
Tama na yung joyride.
Sige.
Uy,
Opa.
para?
Goodbye guys. Mag-uwi na tayo.
Uwi na kami.
Bye.
Goodbye. You're excited sa iPad mo, no?
Opo.
Wow. Say goodbye na.
Goodbye guys. Mag-uwi na tayo.
Mag-uwi na kami.
Mag-uwi na kami.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Give me the mic.
Bye, guys.
See you in the next vlog.
Wow. Isa pa. Bye, guys.
Bye guys.
Bye, Mama.
Bye guys.
Yan lang. Bye-bye.
With the way you move at di pagpapalit, just like my favorite food. Bigla mong nababagong malungkot kong mood. Pag nandyan ka, pag nandyan ka, pag nandyan ka.